In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Google Cloud budget alert. First, sign in to the Google Cloud console and select the billing account you want to monitor. Next, open the billing section from the main navigation menu. Now select Budgets and Alerts and click Create Budget. After that, enter a name for your budget and choose the billing account you want to track. Next, set the scope of the budget by selecting the projects, services, or other filters you want to include. Now enter your budget amount and choose the time period, such as monthly. After that, configure the alert thresholds. You can set alerts at percentages such as 50, 90, and 100% of your budget. Next, enter the email addresses that should receive the notifications and review the alert settings. Now, click Finish to create the budget. Google Cloud will monitor your spending and send notifications when your selected thresholds are reached. Finally, open Budgets and Alerts again to review or edit the budget whenever you need to change the limits or notifications. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Google Cloud budget alert. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.